Single one-compartment meal prep containers, leak-proof, strong durable construction, advanced meal prep containers, diet portion control, healthy nutritious meals and to-go meals are super convenient to prepare in these durable food storage containers for meal prepping. The hard plastic construction will ensure no cracks or breaking along the way. The leak-proof lids will tightly seal the food containers for meal prepping, preventing any annoying leaks or spills in your bag or freezer. Freezer-safe food storage box. Prepare and package up your meals ahead of time. These safe-to-freeze food containers ensure that your prepared cooked meals retain their flavor, color, and texture. These plastic boxes with lids will prevent freezer burn and any absorbing of other odors from the freezer. Microwave safe for warming food. Enjoy the ease and efficiency of using a microwave-safe meal prep container. Whether you are in a rush at home, or warming up food in the microwave at the office or in your college dorm room, make your life simple by preparing, packaging and warming up your food all in the same dish. From the freezer to your hungry belly all in one serving container. Safe material, reusable, recyclable, BPA-free and food-grade safe PP material. You can reuse these durable containers as many times as you like. Clean these portion control boxes easily by placing on the top rack of the dishwasher. If you don't want to reuse them, you can simply throw these containers into a recycling bin or trash. Pack of 50 takeout boxes bulk pack, 1-compartment meal prep food containers, great for catering services. These stackable serving containers are perfect for packaging food at your deli, kiosk, food truck, catering service or restaurant for to-go meals. They stack neatly on top of each other, allowing for completely mess-free transportation and making all your customers happy as well. Top reviews from the United States. Great for the price, easy to store. We got these because we kept getting too many plastic containers for work, the lids kept getting lost, and new ones were pricey and took up space. These are cheap, good quality and size, easy to store and are all the same size. I wouldn't put liquid in it cause it could leak out if the container is splashed about. To clean them I put hot soapy water in it, put the lid on and shake it about, then rinse it good and let it dry.